Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a post using the Meta Business Suite. So if you guys are wondering how to create posts using the Meta Business Suite, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this easily step by step. So what we actually need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Meta Business Suite. And once we are already here, I would like you guys to proceed with accessing your specific Facebook page that you want to go ahead and create a post on. But once we're there, I want you guys to tap on the plus icon over here or either the create post option. I'm going to go ahead and tap on create post to make it more easier. And once we're here, go ahead and just enter the captions for your post, a photo or video to this post, or you could also proceed with choosing any other features that we have on this option right here. But once we're done, we could actually proceed with tapping on the next option and then choosing to schedule this post for later, saving it as a draft or posting it now. You could also proceed with choosing to boost the post, and once you're basically happy with what you have done with the post, you can now tap on publish to successfully post your post. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.